Hi, I'm Hazel. I've lived in Australia for a while now. My English is much better than before. At least, that's what I tell myself.
Hi, Hazel. How have you been?
I'm good, thanks. Then she started talking, and talking, and talking.
Hey, Hazel. How have you been? We're planning a little get together this weekend after the game. Nothing fancy, just some food, drinks, and a chance for the kids to hang out. Everyone's coming, so it'd be great if you could join us too.
She kept talking, and I kept smiling. I caught a few words: Saturday, kids, food, fun. Everything else sounded like one very long English word. So I did what many English learners do. I smiled and said, "Yeah, absolutely."
That's great. We're meeting at Riverside Park around 11. Just bring a plate to share if you'd like. The kids usually play for hours, and some of us stay for lunch. It'll be really nice to have you there.
See me. Where? There? Where is there? Bring a plate, just a plate, an empty plate, or food on the plate. That day, I learned two things. First, don't pretend you understand everything. It's okay to ask people to repeat themselves. It's okay to say, "Sorry, could you say that again?" Most people are happy to help. And second, bring a plate does not mean bringing an empty plate. I'm Hazel, and I'll see you in the next adventure.